have a term paper. Okay, so in our course, we have a term paper. So the term paper will be contribute 50% to the overall assessment. And then at the end of the day, somehow in May, so we are going to have the final exam. So that will also contribute another 50%. So that is the assessment in this course. Okay, so 50% for the term paper. So the due date will be somehow the last day of teaching for the current semester. And then in May, we are going to have an online exam. Okay, so that will be another 50. So for the overview of forensic science, so last Tuesday, what we have been learned, okay, for the first thing, that is the definition of forensic science. So the definition for the forensic science, so that will be quite straightforward. So that will be the applications of science to law. So that is a very clear definition on the forensic science, okay? Those kind of science, that could be physics, could be biology, could be chemistry, or even that could be pathology or toxicology or even the engineering. So we try to make use of the science and then apply it in the court law. Okay, so somehow that is related to our legal system. So for the science, so what we aim for, that is to making use of the science in order to provide with the accurate and objective information. So this kind of information will help us, okay, to solve the crime case. But most importantly, how we can be provided with the accurate and objective information. So mainly, we need to conduct some analysis. So those kinds of analysis are conducted in the crime laboratory. Okay, so within the crime laboratory, then we conduct some analysis. So with the analysis, actually we have two main objectives. The first one, that is the identification. The other one, that is the comparison. So when we are talking about the identification, so we try to identify what it is. For example, like now we have a colorless liquid. So would it be water, or would it be certain kinds of alcohol, or would it be some poison containing liquid? Or now we have some white color powder. So should it be table salt, or should it be somehow like cyanide? Okay. So we try to make use of the, most importantly, that is the instrumental analysis in order to identify what it is. So at the same time, for some cases, so quantification is needed. But for those kinds of exceptional cases for the quantification, so that would be the drug analysis or the poison analysis, because the amount of drug and also the poison dosage, that is quite important. So besides the identification, the other important aspect, that is the comparison, so the C. So